wala man tayong issues to worry about going to war with China. And if are going to war with China, even ang the main complaint would be yung dyan sa Spratly. Kung maggera tayo, in 1 hour tapos ang ating armed forces. And their jets can arrive here in 7 minutes. I do not have that capability. I cannot fight China because I do not have the armaments. And China has talked to us through me. Kulang ba ang Pilipino ng trust? But I trust them. I take their word for it. At saka yung why the military has other means of transmitting a secret. Bigay lang nila sulat. If it is really an important matter, then I tell the military, do not send it through the electronic world. Just write out it in a pad of paper and allow somebody to... Di ilipad mo.